She smiled at you. You thought there was a connection. You talked. You showed interest. Maybe you even asked her out. But suddenly, she pulled back, cold, distant. "I'm not looking for anything serious," she says. Or worse, nothing at all. If you're an older man who's ever been confused by the sudden shift in a younger woman's energy, listen closely. It's probably not your age. It's what you're doing, or not doing, that's killing attraction before it starts. Let's uncover the 7 subtle turnoffs that instantly break the vibe between older men and younger women, and how the Stoic mindset can flip the script entirely. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." Stoicism doesn't chase, it doesn't over-explain, it doesn't seek validation, and yet so many older men today lose their power by making simple behavioral mistakes. Not because they're unattractive, but because they forget the principles of self-respect, silence, and presence. Younger women aren't necessarily against dating older men. In fact, many are drawn to maturity, confidence, and calm leadership. But when that energy is off, when it slips into neediness, insecurity, or performative alpha behavior, it destroys the very thing that made you attractive in the first place. So today, we'll break down 7 behaviors that kill your chances, and how Stoic principles can make you magnetic without trying. Now pay attention to these 7 turnoffs that kill attraction. 1. Over-explaining your value. When you feel the need to tell her about your career, your car, or your past relationships in the first 5 minutes, you're already losing. Stoicism teaches, don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Older men sometimes overcompensate because they assume they need to justify why a younger woman should be interested. But real attraction isn't negotiated, it's felt. Instead, speak less. Let your presence speak louder than your resume. 2. Trying too hard to be cool, trying to mimic Gen Z slang, overcompensating with trendy clothes, faking interest to appear young. You lose the very edge you were born with, wisdom and maturity. Women are drawn to older men precisely because they are grounded. When you abandon that to fit in, you dilute your essence. Be timeless, not trendy. 3. Seeking her approval. Asking, "Was that okay?" after making a move. Looking to her to lead the vibe. Playing it safe so you don't offend. Younger women test boundaries not to dominate you, but to see if you can lead. If you're easily shaken, attraction dies. Epictetus taught, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Lead with calm certainty, not permission-seeking energy. 4. Talking about your age, bringing it up. Joking about it. Making self-deprecating comments like, "I'm too old for this." You just killed the vibe. She wasn't thinking about it until you brought it up. Own your age. Let her feel the confidence that comes with it. Age isn't the problem. Insecurity about it is. 5. Playing the savior. Trying to fix her life. Offer solutions to problems she didn't ask help for. Acting like her therapist or life coach. It's noble, but it reeks of covert contracts. You don't need to solve her. You just need to see her and let her see you. Connection isn't created through rescue. It's born from presence. 6. Being bitter toward her generation. Complaining about today's women, criticizing how girls these days don't appreciate real men. All she hears is, "I've been rejected and I'm still bitter about it." Marcus Aurelius said, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." If you don't respect the modern landscape, you won't be respected in it. Show her you can thrive in any generation, not just your own. Here's how you apply these modern applications today. Speak less, move more. Let your actions convey your value. Be the guy who listens more than he speaks, but when he speaks, it lands. Lead the energy. Decide where things go, from the tone of the conversation to the date plan. Guide with calm direction. She'll feel safe. She'll feel attracted. She'll feel led. Build a life that makes you magnetic women, Love a man who is already fulfilled, not a man looking for her to be his mission. Build your body, master your craft, own your space, make peace with rejection. Not every younger woman will be interested, and that's fine. The Stoic man remains grounded regardless of outcome. Why? Because he doesn't chase approval. He attracts alignment. Be the calm in her chaos. Many younger women today live fast, distracted lives. Be the one who brings stillness, not noise. Remember, younger women don't hate older men. They hate weak energy, insecurity disguised as bravado, uncertainty masked as chill. But a Stoic man, grounded, intentional, unshakable, he becomes the most attractive presence in any room, regardless of age. Don't perform, don't chase, don't adapt to her world.